On the bottom edge of the taillight, notice there is one screw and we will be taking it out using a Torx 25 screwdriver. There's the first screw taken out. Similar screw is at the top. Again, we'll be using the Torx 25 bit screwdriver to take it out. Once both the screws are taken out, now you would notice the taillight losing its grip just like that. And what we'll do is we'll punch in our arm from underneath right here. And while holding the taillight with that position, we will gently pull it outwards. There it is. You would notice the taillight popping out. Once the taillight is taken out, this is how the taillight looks like from behind. We'll start taking out the turn signal plug right here. Grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. Once the plug is out, then we grab the bulb and pull it outwards. Bulb is taken out. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. We'll just go ahead and punch in the bulb inside the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, we got the bulb inside the plug. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug back where we took it out from. Just make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. We are done with the turn signal bulb. Now we'll jump onto the second bulb on top. Again, we grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. There's the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now, in order to pull out this bulb, I would recommend to wear gloves like this, or you can also use a napkin. Then what we'll do is we'll grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is, the bulb is taken out just like that. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't really matter if you punch in this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. We'll go ahead and punch in the bulb inside the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There we got the bulb in position. Reason why we don't touch the glass portion with bare hands, because our hands have some sort of oil, and if we end up touching the glass portion with bare hands, that oil will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. We didn't do it for the first turn signal bulb because it's a blinker bulb and you don't really need to do that. But if you are taking out a brake light bulb, then I would recommend not to touch it with bare hands in order to do the replacement for the bulb. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug back where we took it out from. Again, make sure the plug is completely in first. Sometimes you may have to wiggle a little bit until you are able to completely get in the plug inside. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There's the plug completely in, also not coming out. Final bulb is right here. Again, grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. There it is. Again, this is not a blinker bulb, so we will not touch it with bare hands. Instead, we'll use the same gloves to grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that, the bulb is out. My bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. Doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other way around. We'll punch in the bulb inside the plug and press it down until we hear a clicking sound. Bulb is in place. Now we'll punch in the plug. Again, make sure plug is completely in first. Once completely in, then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. With the third plug in position, we are done with the replacement of all three bulbs. Now notice on the edge of the taillight, there are two pointers coming out right here. Both of these pointers are supposed to go into these two positions right there. We'll carefully punch in the taillight, keeping in mind those two positions. Once the taillight is in position, then we will give it a final push until it goes completely in. There you notice the tail light sitting in there perfectly fine. Now it's time to punch in both the screws. We'll start from the top screw first. Make sure you are not over tightening the screws, because sometimes over tightening the screw can break the tabs of the tail light, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. This much seems fine. We got the first screw firm and tight. Similar way, we'll punch in the second screw at the bottom. With the second screw firm and tight, that wraps up the replacement of taillight for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Torx 25-bit screwdriver is the only tool used for this replacement process.